Myself, Mohammad Imran. I pursuing diploma in civil engineering from Manu Polytechnic, Darbhanga, bearing enrollment number 00111303 C37, with guidance under guidance of Dr. J.D. Rahim, HOD of Civil Department. My company name is Erin Real Estate Private Limited. Venue Kalambag Chowk beside Gramin Bank, PS Mithanpura, Muzaffarpur. PIN 842001, Bihar, India. This company is provided apartment building and the dwellings non-residential building to the user. Training department. There are fixed department for me in this period of training. I am only going to building construction. My training period timing is 16 January 2016 to 5th May of 2016. Pile foundation. What is pile foundation? The pile foundation is used to describe a construction for the foundation of a wall or a pier which is supported on the pile. It means पाइल फाउंडेशन किसी भी कंस्ट्रक्शन को बनाने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है जिस पे कोई भी वॉल या पाइल को सपोर्ट करता है. वेयर इट इज़ प्लेस्ड. द पाइल्स मे बी प्लेस्ड सेपरेटली और दे मे बी प्लेस्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्लस्टर थ्रू आउट द लेंथ ऑफ द वॉल. इसे कहाँ प्लेस्ड किया जाता है. वेयर इट इज़ अडॉप्टेड. Piles are adopted when the loose soil extended to a great depth. Pile cap reinforcement. Pile caps carrying very heavy point loads tend to produce high tensile stresses at the pile cap. It means pile cap काफ़ी heavy point loads को carry करता है जो tensile stress को develop करता है. Reinforcement is thus designed to provide resistance to tensile bending forces in the bottom of the cap, resistance to vertical shear. Advantage and disadvantage of pile foundation. Advantage: pile material can be inspected for quality before driving. Construction operation affected by groundwater. Pile can driven in very long lengths. Construction operation not affected by groundwater. Soil disposal is not necessary. Disadvantage: pile may break during driving. Noise and vibration problems. Cannot be driven in condition of low headroom. Noise may prove unacceptable. Noise permit may be required. Vibration may prove unacceptable due to presence of sensitive structures, utility installation or machinery. Advantage: less noise or vibration problem. Equipment can break up partially all kinds of obstruction. Can be installed in condition of low headroom. No ground have. Depth and diameter can vary easily. Disadvantage: concrete can be inspected after installation. Liable to sagging or nicking. Raking board piles are difficult to construct. Drilling a number of pile groups may cause ground loss and settlement of adjacent structures. Cannot be extended above ground level without special adaptation. लोड्स कमिंग ऑन पाइल फाउंडेशन मीन्स पाइल फाउंडेशन पे कौन सा लोड कमिंग होता है. ऑल द लोड्स फ्रॉम द सुपर स्ट्रक्चर लाइक लाइव लोड्स, डेड लोड्स, विंड लोड्स, सिस्मिक लोड्स. द लोड्स फ्रॉम द सराउंडिंग सॉइल इन केस ऑफ सिस्मिक इवेंट. वाटर लोड्स इन केस ऑफ ऑफशोर स्ट्रक्चर. फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग पाइल कैपेसिटी. कौन सा फैक्टर पाइल कैपेसिटी को अफेक्ट करता है. Number 1, surrounding soil. Number 2, installation technique. Number 3, method of construction. Number 4, location of pile in a group. Number 5, spacing of piles in a group. Number 6, symmetric of the group. Number 7, shape of pile cap. Number 8, location of pile cap. Number 9, drainage condition in soil. Pile driving. The process of forcing the piles into the ground without excavation is termed as the pile driving. मीन्स किसी भी पाइल को ग्राउंड में इंस्टॉल करने के लिए जो प्रोसेस अपनाया जाता है उसे पाइल ड्राइविंग कहते हैं। द पाइल्स शुड बी ड्रिवन वर्टिकली। पाइल्स को वर्टिकली ड्रिवन किया जाता है। However, a tolerance of eccentricity of 2% of the pile length is permissible. The eccentricity is measured by means of plumb bob. Eccentricity को plumb bob के ज़रिए मेज़र किया जाता है। The equipments required for pile driving are as follows. Number 1, pile frames. Number 2, pile hammers. Number 3, leads. Number 4, winches. Number 5, miscellaneous.